Hi, this is Dave Lorenzo with RainmakerLawyer.com, and today we're going to talk about where your next big idea is going to come from. That's right, we're going to talk about how you can get that next big idea, that idea that could take your law firm to the next level, and you can do it all on your own without any help from anybody else. Well, that's not exactly correct. You can do it on your own without any help from a consultant like me if you'd like to. Here's how you do it. What you need to do is you need to stimulate some creative thinking. And there's a pretty good chance that if you're a lawyer worth your salt, you're very, very good at analytical thinking and following fact patterns. But quite frankly, that's not how you source the next really big idea. The way you source the next really big idea is by thinking a little creatively, thinking exactly how you used to think when you were a little kid and you used to have fun playing or coloring in coloring books. This is when you used to be able to use your imagination and your creativity was allowed to run unfettered. So, how do you stimulate that kind of thinking? Well, the best way that I know to stimulate that kind of thinking is to get into a room full of other people who have the same goals and same aspirations that you have. We call these like-minded people. And what you should do is you should gather a group of, say, 4 or 5 other folks. You can even go 6 or 7 if you'd like. And get them together and set up a format by which you each share the best things that are going on in your law practice. Maybe you meet on a monthly basis and all of you share one good idea every month that is working in your law practice. Now, if you have 6 people in a room and each of them is sharing one good idea, you've gotten the benefit of hearing 5 other ideas. And then the next time you go around the room, I would recommend that each of you share one business challenge and you brainstorm on how each of you would solve that challenge. So this gives you 5 other opportunities to hear people's ideas for solving the problem that you're currently facing. Now, this is something that requires only one thing. It requires the ability for you to share some things that are going on in your law firm. So I recommend that you pick people who you know but you don't know really well, people who you're friendly with but you're not too friendly with, and people who are not competitors of yours. I also recommend that you do this with people who quite possibly are not even in the same town as you, so that there would never be a chance that you'd run into them and you wouldn't have friends in common and people wouldn't feel that they were perhaps divulging something that could be shared with other folks who you have in common. This is called a mastermind group, and it is a great, great way for you to grow your law practice, for you to share some ideas, and quite frankly, for you to keep your sanity as you are a business owner, and it's quite lonely at the top. When you're the owner of the business, there's very few people you can talk to. So go out and find 4 or 5 other folks and share some ideas, share your challenges, and work together to put the great ideas into place and to solve your problems as quickly and as efficiently as you can. My name is Dave Lorenzo, and for more great tips just like these, you can find me at RainmakerLawyer.com. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day.